Hello everyone! Today, let's visit a car show. In the heart of Shinyville, under a bright blue sky, sat the SiSi Motors car dealership. 3 brand new cars, gleaming like polished jewels, waited for their perfect drivers. There was Blazer, a bright blue beauty with a sporty grin, Ruby, a cherry red dream machine with sleek curves, and Sunny, a sunshine yellow wonder with a friendly smile. Outside, a colorful sign declared, "Car Show, find your perfect ride." But inside the showroom, the cars whispered amongst themselves. "Psst, Blazer," Ruby nudged her blue neighbor. "Do you think anyone will pick us today?" Blazer puffed out her shiny hood. "Of course! Look at me, the fastest car in town," she boasted. Sunny, the cheerful yellow car, chimed in. "It's not all about speed, Blazer. Maybe someone wants a car as bright and happy as me." Their conversation was interrupted by the dealership door swinging open. A young girl with bright eyes and a bigger smile skipped in, followed by her kind-looking parents. "Wow! Look at all these amazing cars!" she squealed, running towards the 3 gleaming vehicles. Blazer revved her engine, hoping to grab attention. "Pick me! Pick me! I'm the fastest!" she shouted. Ruby flickered her headlights dramatically. "But look at my style! I'm the most sophisticated one here!" The girl giggled. Her eyes landed on Sunny, who flashed a friendly wave and honked a cheerful tune. Blazer scoffed. "Honking? So childish!" Ruby scoffed back. "A wave? How boring!" Ignoring the bickering, the girl climbed into Sunny's bright interior. She explored every button, giggled at the happy honk, and loved how the sunshine yellow made her feel warm and welcome. The parents looked at each other and smiled. "This seems like a perfect fit," the father said. Blazer and Ruby watched in silence. Later that day, a quiet boy with thoughtful eyes entered the showroom. He walked past Blazer's sporty build and Ruby's sharp angles, drawn instead to Sunny's cheerful aura. He touched the yellow paint gently and traced the curve of a smile-shaped headlight. Seeing his interest, the car salesperson explained, "That car just found its perfect driver, but we have plenty of others." The boy pointed at Blazer. "But isn't she faster? That's what makes a good car, right?" The salesperson smiled. "Speed is great, but a good car is also one that makes you happy. This one here," he gestured towards a sturdy blue sedan, "is perfect for adventures, just like Sunny. Or this red one," he pointed to a fire truck red car, "might be perfect for a future firefighter." The boy's eyes lit up. He never thought of cars that way. Maybe being fast wasn't everything. Maybe, just maybe, there was a perfect car for everyone, one that matched not just needs, but also personalities. From that day on, Blazer and Ruby understood. They weren't just cars. They were waiting to find their special drivers, the ones who would appreciate their unique features and personalities. They learned that true happiness comes not from bragging, but from finding the perfect match.